Okay, we're up past 1 o'clock, about 1:30 now, and the winds, and you can see the big trees across the street. We probably, some of those branches touched the power lines and tripped off the power about 12:30. As long as all those poles stand and the cables stay up, we're in good shape. They can probably restore that power fairly quickly. Can't say anything about it right at the moment. For Gustav, 5 of those big poles came down. We have had some damage, not us. Wind speed, I would say, gust is hitting up about 65. You can see that the plastic fence, which I told you was going to come apart, has come apart. This is about the strongest gust I've seen so far. We're seeing some of the fence come apart up there in the front. Kind of knew that was going to happen. You can see the trees are bending pretty good here. I can't step around the corner here because the way the wind comes off the roof there and goes through the breezeway, I wouldn't be able to stand up. Gets thing. We've other than that fence there, that's the only thing I've seen going by the windows. We have one window in the front. I have to say this for all you people who do this. You're bored up. We made a mistake here. We should have cut some peepholes in the boards because that's 2 doors. That's the doors to the living room. So we should have cut some peepholes, slits in there so we could have looked out. Okay, just a tip for y'all people going forward. Let's see if I can look around in the window. Uh-oh, my neighbor's fence has come out. One part's come out. Okay, we kind of knew that was going to happen. And actually for him and for the rest of the section in there, he's better off if that fence comes open because then there's no pressure. Because then those white posts won't get bent over. He'd be better off. He thought about taking some of the fence down. So I don't know if the back wall on the other side of the trailer has had any come down. I'm pretty sure it has. So other than that, that's about all I can say. As you can see, this is about as strong as it is going to get. They said high winds until 4 o'clock. We just got to... Okay, you can see those big trees over there bending over. Okay.